Hey, welcome to this video. My name is Johannes and I'm going to show you how to buy Axie Infinity crypto token AXS. And first off, if you don't have an account on Binance, you can register from my link in the description, so you will get 10% kickback on trading fees. Because we will be using Binance, it's probably the easiest way to actually get the Axie Infinity coin right now. And if you register, or if you already have an account, make sure you get logged in. Then we will go to wallet and fiat and spot. And then you can see search coin right here. You can just click there and enter AXS, which is the token symbol for Axie Infinity. Then you will see under crypto balance AXS Axie Infinity. And if you have some cryptos available on Binance already, then you might be able to trade them from either BNB, BTC, BUSD or USDT. And if you don't have any crypto available on Binance yet, I have other videos that I can link to which will show you how to buy either BNB coin or BTC, so you can trade those. I will show you how you can trade USDT into AXS right now, so you can just click there. So this is the place where you will be able to buy AXS. You can see it right here. You can see I have some USDT available, not a lot. You can see the price of AXS right here. And you can just drag this one and it will spend, either like 50% of your USDT, or you can spend, 100% of your USDT as well. And you will see the total amount that you will spend right here. And you will see the amount of AXS you will get from your USDT as well. So if you're happy with the amount you will be spending on buying AXS, you can just click on buy AXS. You can see total must be greater than 10, so I don't have enough balance available. But if you have over 10 USDT available, you can just click buy AXS and you will probably get the order filled right ahead. If you don't get the order filled, you will see under open orders, and you can just click on cancel and make another buy order. Else, if your order goes through and your order gets filled, you will see it under order history. You can just click there and you will be able to see filled right here. So that's basically how you buy Axie Infinity crypto token AXS. Hopefully you found value in this video. Feel free to give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want more cryptocurrency tutorials and reviews. Else, thank you for watching. Have a nice day and goodbye.